On Thursday, July 14th at 17:30 local time, an earthquake of magnitude 5.7 hit the province of Guayas in Ecuador. The epicenter of the telluric movement was at a depth of 57 kilometers, 13 kilometers from Sambarandan, a suburb of Guayaquil. Thousands of residents left the shaking buildings in search of safe places. The earthquake was also felt in other cities of the country, Loja, Manta, and even the capital Quito, located 280 kilometers away. The shocks were deep, so the seismic waves generated reached great distances, even areas of northern Peru. It is already known that several houses and buildings in Guayaquil and Sambarandan were damaged. The earthquake also hit a medical center in Guaranda, the capital of Bolivar province. The National Risk and Emergency Management Service is assessing damage in the affected areas. Despite the proximity of the earthquake to the coast, its characteristics do not correspond to the conditions for the occurrence of a tsunami. Authorities said aftershocks are likely in the coming days. Guayaquil is the most populous city in Ecuador. Located approximately 280 kilometers southwest of the country's capital, Quito, on the Guayas River, the center of the province of Guayas. The population of the agglomeration is about 3 million people.